Hey crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. If you're always on the lookout for the latest opportunities in the crypto space, then you're in for a treat today. We're diving deep into the Hyperliquid Airdrop guide. Hyperliquid is a decentralized perpetual futures exchange built on its own custom blockchain, Hyperliquid L1. In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about Hyperliquid, how to qualify for their ongoing airdrop, and maximize your rewards. So let's get started. What is Hyperliquid? Hyperliquid is not just another decentralized exchange. It's a decentralized perpetual futures exchange, DEX, that operates on its own custom blockchain called Hyperliquid L1. Unlike traditional centralized exchanges, or CX, Hyperliquid offers leveraged crypto trading in a non-custodial and permissionless manner. This means you have full control over your funds at all times. The vision behind Hyperliquid is to create a fully on-chain open financial system. This system will allow users to build applications that interface seamlessly with native components, all while ensuring a smooth and uncompromised user experience. How to qualify for an airdrop? Hyperliquid has an exciting points program that rewards users for their trading activity. Initially, they distributed 1 million points weekly for 6 months until May 2024. Due to the overwhelming response, they've extended the points program for an additional 4 months. Here's how you can join and qualify for the airdrop. Step 1. Visit the Hyperliquid trading platform. First, head over to Hyperliquid. This is where you'll be conducting all your trading activities. Step 2. Deposit USDC on Hyperliquidity Provider, HLP. Next, navigate to the Vault section on the platform. Here, you'll need to deposit USDC into the Hyperliquidity Provider, HLP. This step is crucial as it prepares you for trading and earning points. Step 3. Start trading on Hyperliquid. Now comes the exciting part, trading. Engage in trading activities on the Hyperliquid platform. While trading can be risky, it's the most effective way to earn higher points. Make sure to trade responsibly. Step 4. Share your referral link. Hyperliquid also offers a referral program. Share your unique referral link with friends and community members. For every 4 points your referrals earn, you'll receive 1 point. It's a great way to boost your points tally. Step 5. Monitor your points and stay active. Keep track of your points and stay active on the platform. The more engaged you are, the higher your chances of maximizing your rewards. Remember, consistency is key. And that's a wrap on our Hyperliquid Airdrop guide. Participating in this points program is a fantastic way to get involved in the Hyperliquid ecosystem and earn rewards. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us on our official social media channels. For more detailed airdrop guides and the latest updates in the crypto space, don't forget to visit our airdrops page. We cover only the most legitimate and exciting airdrops happening in the crypto world. Good luck.